What if the United States was on the brink of its worst recession in history? This is the prediction of renowned investor Jim Rogers. Rogers notes that the U.S. has gone the longest in history without a recession, and now, with a massive debt of over $40 trillion, the situation is more severe than the 2008 financial crisis. He expresses particular concern for the banking sector, where high debt levels are rampant. Rogers is critical of the Federal Reserve, stating they're more concerned with keeping their jobs than addressing fundamental issues. He contrasts the confidence of current Fed Chair Jerome Powell with the more cautious approach of his predecessor, Ben Bernanke, during the 2008 crisis. On international finance, Rogers is skeptical of the BRICS nations' ability to quickly establish an alternative currency to the US dollar. Despite believing the US dollar will face problems, he currently holds USD in anticipation of a future safe haven rally, but plans to sell when it happens. When it comes to investment recommendations, Rogers advocates for silver over gold, noting that silver is down 40% from all-time highs, while gold is at record levels. He owns both, but if he were to buy today, he'd choose silver. Interestingly, Rogers views the lack of retail investor participation in precious metals as a positive sign. He's not invested in Bitcoin, seeing it mainly as a trading vehicle without a logical foundation. He plans to short markets eventually, but isn't doing so yet. His current recommendation? Be defensive and consider cash positions. Scene script. Rogers dismisses concerns about gold confiscation in the U.S., citing logistical and political challenges. He emphasizes the importance of studying and investing in what personally interests you. And for those looking to the future, Rogers suggests that farming could be profitable in the next generation or two. In summary, Rogers' outlook is cautionary. He is particularly concerned about debt levels and their implications for future market stability. He advocates for defensive positioning while maintaining specific opportunities in areas like silver. So, as we navigate the economic landscape, it may be wise to heed Rogers' advice. After all, in a game where foresight is everything, learning from those who've been around the block can make all the difference.